This is a weaving machine with ordinary Healds. When the thread breaks, the red signal is lit up and the machine stops working. Finding the broken thread is time-consuming, as the worker has to locate the drop pin in order to find the yarn. It is found that on an average one thread breaks per 45 minutes, leading to 32 thread breakages on per-day basis. Assuming 32 minutes are wasted and the production runs for 350 days in a year, a total of around 8 days of worth production is wasted. Introducing AAS S-Healed. With its intelligent advanced thread detection technology, finding the broken thread becomes much easier, saving at least half of the time. With ATDT, manufacturers can save and increase around 4 days of production per year. The S-Healed, with its patented design, has a unique S-flat shape geometry. The central bumper gives uniform distancing, making thread identification easier. Also, the S-Healed comes in fluorescent colors for clear thread visibility. The ordinary Healds have rectangular cross-section, whereas the S-Healed has elliptical cross-section. This creates more visibility than the ordinary Healds. With ATDT, even the greige yarn or the raw or white yarn is greatly visible. Also, colourful threads like blue, green, yellow, red,
and jarry yarn like golden. Silver and gunmetal yarns are greatly visible.